Okay, I got a little bit of a battery on my good phone. Well, my phone, let me say my phone with the good stabilizer. And we're gonna go fly the drone over somewhere special tonight. The sun's gonna be setting in about 45 minutes or so, I think, or less. You're gonna get to see it good right here. About how high it is in the sky. We're going to take you guys along for the ride, so hang in there. We're going to go somewhere special and we're going to fly the drone. Okay, and we got little Einstein with us tonight for our sunset flight. We're not going far. The place I'm going is about 15 minutes away because it's, you know, red lights. We'll bring you back there. All right, Einstein. Yep, and we're trekking our way along. About halfway there. This boat's got a good stabilizer. Okay, we made it to our stop. We're at this great big mall called Regency Town Center, right outside of Tampa, here in Brandon, where I'm at right now. And we're gonna fly this drone around this area. Check out this fountain. All right, Einstein's gonna be a little mad because he's gotta stay in the car. There's nowhere here for him to go. Okay, right now I'm just sitting in the car. I'm safely flying the drone, kind of. I'm supposed to be able to see it, but I can hear it. It's only 27 meters high. Einstein's sitting here dying in the heat. We ran the air conditioner. I just turned off the car, but been running the air conditioner. Anyways, we'll put this sunset up for you guys later. All right, we've made our third location. We have 3 batteries, so we're taking our third stop. Einstein's still with us, and sunset's already happened. And we're getting ready to wrap things up. Thanks for coming along with me today. It was just going to be a close to home video.